Sailing by Rod Stewart. Join me to complete, guys, this song. Followers and friends, thanks for watching and listening.
I am sailing, I am sailing home again, across the sea. I am sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free.
I am flying, I am flying like a bird fills the sky. I am flying, passing high clouds to be with you, to be free. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me through the dark night, far away? I am dying, forever trying to be with you. Who can say? Can you hear me? Can you hear me through the dark night, far away? I am dying, forever crying to be with you. Who can say? We are saved.